Hello friends, I'm BM. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Epson L3210 printer drivers. Okay, let's start the video. First, open browser for download drivers. Click on browser. I'm already type here Epson L3210 drivers. Now hit enter. Right click on this link. Open link in new tab. Okay. Our operating system is Windows 10 64-bit. Expand drivers. This is our scanner drivers. This is printer. Click on download. Click on accept. Driver is downloading. Please wait. Okay. Now download scanner drivers also. Printer driver is downloaded. Click on setup file. File is extracting. Remove this option here for default. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on agree. Click on OK. And setup is completed. Click on OK. Now install scanner drivers. Click on this downloaded file. Okay. Now click on next. Now click on I accept. Click on next. Installing drivers. Please wait. Click on finish. Driver installation is complete. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.